Welcome to Inside the Process. Today we're exploring how fresh avocados transform into delicious guacamole. Let's see the entire journey from arrival to shipment.
Our journey begins in California's avocado groves, where perfectly ripe fruit awaits harvest.
Hass avocados grow for months, developing their rich flavor and creamy texture. Skilled harvesters identify perfectly mature avocados by color, size, and subtle firmness.
Each avocado is hand-picked and handled gently to prevent any damage or bruising.
Special tools help reach fruit high in the canopy without damaging trees or avocados. Harvest teams work together, filling collection bins throughout the grove. Workers transfer harvested fruit into ventilated bins that protect quality during field collection. Tractors transport filled bins from the grove to the packing area for sorting. Fresh-picked avocados travel directly to the farm packing facility for quality inspection.
At the farm packing shed, avocados are inspected and prepared for transport to the processing plant.
Fresh Hass avocados arrive daily from California groves in refrigerated trucks. Each delivery is carefully logged and temperature checked. Quality inspectors verify ripeness levels and check for any damage. Only perfectly mature avocados move forward. Approved pallets are transported to the cold storage holding area. Temperature control prevents premature ripening.
The cold storage maintains optimal conditions at 45 degrees. This preserves freshness until processing begins.
When production begins, avocados move to the prep zone. The processing line handles thousands of pounds daily.
Each avocado is individually inspected on sorting conveyors. Workers remove any fruit that doesn't meet quality standards.
The washing drum removes field dirt and residue with food-grade sanitizing solution.
Powerful air blowers dry the avocados completely before they enter the cutting area.
Automated cutters slice each avocado perfectly in half and remove the pit in one motion. Specialized scoopers extract the flesh cleanly, leaving the skin behind for composting. The avocado flesh enters industrial mixers, where guacamole ingredients will be blended.
Fresh onions, cilantro, lime juice, and seasonings are prepared for the guacamole blend.
All fresh ingredients are added in precise quantities, following the authentic guacamole recipe. The mixer creates the perfect consistency, keeping some chunky texture for authentic style. Once perfectly mixed, the guacamole is discharged into temperature-controlled transport hoppers. The guacamole moves quickly to the filling line to maintain freshness and temperature. Each container receives exactly 16 ounces, verified by weight sensors beneath the line. Clear lids with product labels are automatically placed and pressed onto each container. Induction sealing creates an airtight, tamper-evident barrier to preserve freshness.
Each container is printed with production dates and traceability codes for quality control.
Metal detectors scan every container to ensure no foreign objects are present. Containers are grouped and packed 6 per box for distribution to retailers. 6-packs are arranged neatly in boxes designed for cold chain distribution. Boxes are automatically sealed with tamper-evident tape for shipping security. Shipping labels with barcodes are applied for inventory tracking throughout the supply chain.
Every box is weighed to confirm proper fill count and detect any packing errors.
Barcodes are scanned and verified, linking each box to the inventory management system.
boxes accumulate and orient correctly before moving to the palletizing area. Robotic palletizers stack boxes in precise patterns for stable shipping loads.
Each layer alternates direction, creating an interlocked load that won't shift during transport. Corner protectors are added before wrapping to prevent damage during handling. Automated stretch wrapping secures the load and protects boxes from moisture and handling.
Wrapped pallets receive identification tags and are scanned into the warehouse tracking system.
Finished pallets are immediately moved to refrigerated storage to maintain cold chain integrity. Cold storage keeps finished products at 38 degrees until orders are shipped. The warehouse maintains precise temperature control and tracks every pallet location digitally. Digital systems manage inventory and generate pick lists when retail orders come in. Order pickers retrieve specific pallets from storage locations for outbound shipment.
Pallets are staged at the loading dock, organized by delivery route and destination.
The dock coordinator schedules precise loading times to minimize product exposure outside refrigeration. Refrigerated trucks arrive at scheduled intervals to maintain unbroken cold chain. Truck temperature is verified before loading begins to ensure proper cold chain standards. Pallets load systematically, positioned to maximize space while allowing proper air circulation. Multiple pallets fill the truck, following a specific loading plan for balanced weight distribution. Cargo straps secure all pallets to prevent shifting during transportation to retail centers.
Final scans verify the complete manifest before sealing the truck for departure.
The driver receives shipping documents and confirms the sealed load before departure. The refrigerated truck begins its route, delivering fresh guacamole to grocery stores across the region.
From our facility to store shelves, the entire process ensures peak freshness and quality.
Fresh guacamole arrives at premium grocery stores, ready for customers within hours of production.
Store employees immediately refrigerate incoming deliveries to maintain perfect freshness.
Each container's date code is verified before moving to the sales floor. Guacamole is stocked in refrigerated cases alongside other fresh prepared foods. Retailers receive deliveries daily, stocking fresh guacamole in refrigerated sections for customers.
Stock rotation ensures customers always get the freshest product with maximum shelf life. Fresh guacamole reaches consumers within hours of production, preserving that just-made quality.
Customers appreciate clear packaging that shows the product's fresh, vibrant color.
Shoppers choose fresh guacamole for quick meals, parties, and healthy snacking.
Convenient packaging makes checkout quick, and the resealable lid preserves freshness at home.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.